everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss again how to solve the volume of a sphere. We're going to answer a problem number 1. A certain balloon in the shape of a sphere has a radius of 10 centimeter. Now, how many air can it contain? So, to find the volume of a sphere, we have the formula to be used, which is volume equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And we have to know the given from the problem. The radius is 10 centimeter. So we have to do now is substitute it from the formula. So we have now 4 over 3 pi, then the radius is 10, then cube, then we're going to multiply 3 times the radius. 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000, and the result now of the volume is 4 over 3, 10,000 pi. Then we're going to multiply 1000 times 4 equals 4000 pi over 3. Then 4000 divided by 3 equals 1.33.33 pi cubic centimeter, or we're going to multiply this by 3.14, which is the value of pi. So the volume now of this sphere is 4186.67 cubic centimeter. Okay, next, second problem. The radius of a sphere is 3 cubic meter. What is the volume of a sphere? So to find the volume of a sphere, so we need to know the radius. And the radius now is given 3 cubic meter. Then we have to substitute it from the formula, which is volume equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Then you have to compute now, equals 4 over 3 pi. Substitute for the radius is 3. Then we're 3 cubed. Then we're going to multiply the radius 3 times, so that's why it becomes now 4 over 3, 27 pi. Then the volume now is equals to 27 times 4 equals 108 pi over 3. Then 108 divided by 3, we have 36 pi cubic meter, or we're going to multiply this by 36 by 3.14, which is the value of pi. So volume now is equals to 113.04 cubic meter. Okay, next, number 3 problem. The diameter of a sphere is 10 decimeter. How many is each volume? So the given is diameter, so we have to do is to divide this by by 2 in order to get the radius. Upon realize the radius, we have to follow now the formula of the sphere, which is volume equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Then substitute for the given equals 4 over 3 pi, and the radius now is 5 cubed, then equals to 4 over 3. 5 times 5 times 4 equals 125 pi. Then 125 times 4 equals 500 pi over 3. Then we have to divide 500 divided by 3. We have 166.67 pi cubic decimeter, or we have another answer, which is to multiply it by the pi, value of pi, which is 3.14. So volume now is equals to 523.33 cubic decimeter.